Welcome back to my channel, Urban Locs. It is your girl Caira, and I am, yes, outside. It looks like some nice incense blowing in the wind behind me, doesn't it? But no, it is in fact my mom's cigarette in that ashtray. What I have here is a lovely little aloe vera gel right here that I just made. Okay, so first of all, I done went to too many stores today trying to get what I needed to get and couldn't get nothing. Nothing was right. I go to the second booty supply. That's where I need to go. I went to the second beauty supply store of the day, the second out of 3, and my freaking Jamaican black castor oil that I spent $7.99 on was open. It's open. But I guess it's my fault for not checking. Next issue, I went to Redner's. Mind you, I'm already tired of going to stores. I'm tired of what's going down in my head. I'm tired of how this day is playing out. So, I go to Redner's. I go up in there, and them aloe leaves look raggedy as hell. They look mad raggedy. So, I told the associate, I'm like, ma'am, could you get somebody to come out here, or do you guys have some better ones in the back maybe? I'm very nice about it. You know, so some man comes out, hey, Ben. Hey, he comes out, and he's like, this may be the best we have, but we'll go check in the back. So he brings out some aloe vera leaves that are still raggedy, but they look better than the ones that were out there. I should have taken a picture. Why is this rain playing with me? Huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah, guess so.
You put it on that knife?
You can, but I'm gonna make like a gel, so I'm gonna put some oils in here with it.
Cut that thing open and see what it looks like. I'm curious.
Boy, a piece of raw sushi.
Ooh.
I do.
Yeah, red. Ooh, like a fish.
Mm-hmm. I don't know how this is about to work out. Oh, we got something. Hey, it's coming on. Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh, a good amount of it. Why? Today is just not my day, my mom.
Put it in one of them things.
I'm glad I didn't dye my hair. Probably would have went terrible.
Yeah, I like that color.
Yeah, with the red. Dye my hair and look at me!